About 30 to 40% of all food that we produce in America is wasted every single year.
The reason food waste is bad, besides the fact that we should really be feeding people, is the fact that when it ends up in the landfill, it lets off methane gas, which is actually more harmful for our environment than the carbon dioxide from our cars. So I know there's people over here that need food. So you've got surplus here, people in need here. We just need to figure out how to get it here to there.
We often say it's the world's dumbest problem. Clearly, we need new ideas. We need fresh solutions. And that is what the Zero Hunger, Zero Waste Foundation is always looking for.
So Wasteless Solutions aims to feed more people and waste less food through education, prevention, and diversion.
We utilize a food rescue app. When a food donor reaches out to me or I reach out to them, I kind of gauge what kind of food that they're going to be donating, about how much, how many volunteers it's going to need, and then I get it to a nonprofit close by because a volunteer is ultimately going to go pick it up, and we want it to be maybe a 5, 10, 15-minute drive away from that food donor.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
So this is the app foodrescue.us. Very easy to use, and this is where I come to sign up for all of the rescues that I hope to help with. If I know I'm going to be downtown, I'll look and pick up my app and see what is available that needs to be done, and if I'm going to be driving by there, I just sign right up for it.
We're going to Sodexo Caterers. They run the Salt Palace, the largest convention center in Utah, and all the catering that's done there.
These are the caprese subs,
Nice.
yogurt parfait, hummus and pita.
So really where we're seeing most of the food is events. And that's the good food, right? It's typically fully prepared, and to give that to somebody in need, and all they have to do is go home and reheat it. So we're finding a niche there. There's convention centers, cafeterias at every level of school, at weddings, work meetings. There's so much food to be had from those places.
We have donated about 130,000 pounds in probably 7 months. They stop by twice a week, and sometimes it's every day for the next 4 days because we have some massive shows.
By reducing our footprint in food waste, we're not just feeding more people, but we're helping the environment.
I think our second year of doing this is when Kroger announced the Zero Hunger, Zero Waste. And so I was like, I'm all over that. So from day one, has been a great financial partner, supporter, connector, and just the power of that. It made me realize how much we need each other.
Every community across the U.S. has food insecurity. And really every county, every city, every town has people who are food insecure. So no matter where we are helping provide meals for people in need at any age. It could be children, could be seniors, and everyone in between.
Kroger spending time understanding this issue, educating customers about this issue, educating the community about this issue, and being a part of the solution, super important.
Morning, Say. Good morning. You have a donation. Great.
Every dollar that is donated is so helpful to just keep organizations going. It's highly needed to make this work, as well as the simple fact of when you're grocery shopping for all that lovely food and making sure you don't waste it, is it's easy to round up at the register, and it adds up, right? I mean, for us, we've saved over 2.1 million pounds of food, and think of that happening in every city.
Without donations like this, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. And so for you guys to bring donations like this, you don't even know what it means.